Hi! This is all about insurance. Hindi ko kayo bebentahan. The goal for this video is about kailan ka ba dapat kumuha ng insurance. For me, ang requirement ko, dapat meron kang HMO or health insurance. Bakit? Paano kung may mangyari bukas? Paano kung wala? Hindi ka sure, di ba? Kasi these insurances are all working on hypotheticals. It is advisable having an HMO together with an insurance. Ang priority mo dapat yung ngayon. Your life today is more important than a future that you don't exist. Always prioritize yourself. Dahil maraming tao yung na-hospitalize or biglang nagkakasakit, HMO not only for you, kung kaya mo for your entire family. Next, your need to exist and your need to survive should be stable. Next, dapat wala kang utang. Credit cards are okay, but also you have to consider you still have to have extra money. May mga kaso akong nakita na sobrang takot nila, naniwala sila sa financial advisor nila kung ano-ano mga insurances ang pinagkukuha nila, pero the next day, wala na silang makain. Huwag ganun. Then of course, ano pa ba ang next? Of course, dapat meron kang emergency funds. If you have extra money, tapos konti lang siya, I recommend building your emergency funds first. Bakit? Ideally, 3 to 6 months. But for me, I think okay naman na kahit 3 months. Pero para sure, you can build it up to 6 months of your income. Pwede mo rin itong pagsabayin simultaneously kung malaki yung extra disposable income mo. Ang pang-build ng emergency fund at ng insurance. So, may kanya-kanya tayong priorities in life, and I hope I was able to help you to consider before getting an insurance. Yun lang. Thank you. See you on my next video.